Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage product options and variants in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do is go here into the products on the left side. And once you click on products, you would see all the products that you have right here. And let's view this product right here. This is a product of mine as a sample. And as you can see, as I scroll down, you can see all the variants that is right here under the variants tab right here, and you can see every size and colors. So I'm going to teach you on how to add that. So let's go back so that I can show you, and let's just add a product right here, and let's just say sample product right there, and I'm gonna click on save. If you are just starting out and adding your product and you want to add a variant when you are adding the product, maybe you can just go here in the variant, and it's basically the same when you go here and you want to click here and you edit it. It's basically the same that you will see right here, so in case you are confused by that. So when you scroll down here, from here you want to scroll down here until you see the variants section, and from here you can add options like size or color. So you can click this button, so click on it, and from here in the option name you can select the size, color, material, or style. So from here, let's go for the size because this is the basic one. So from here we have the option values right here, and this is where you input all the sizes, because for example here is first is small, just like that, and now we have successfully added a small size. So if you want to add another size such as medium, large, or extra large, then you can add another value right here. So when you add another one, medium, and as you can see another one pops up right here available for you to use, so we can go with large again, and from here extra large. And if you're done with all of this, you don't need to fill this extra one. So once you're done, you can click here on done, and it will be saved right there. As you can see, we now have the variants for sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. And that goes the same for the other options. So when you click here on add another option, you would be able to add another variant right here. So you can choose anything right here. You can go for color, material, or style right here. So let's go for color. And again, it's basically the same process right here. So let's go for red and black right here. And when you click on down right here, as you can see, we now had variants for color. And that is basically how easy it is to add a variance to our color. And all that's left for us to do is click here on the save button. And once you click on save button right there, it will be successfully saved. And once you go here in your inventory, you can actually check the variants right here, because here in the inventory you can see every variance for every product that you have. So as you can see, we have successfully added it right here in our sample product. And that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.